Mohegan Sun at the Savor New England clam chowder contest. Hey guys, the first clam chowder we are trying looks like that. It's from this place. Their truck is right there. Hannah, what did you get?
I got the Cajun shrimp and scallop roll. So we're gonna try it.
We're gonna try it and rate it. I rate the clam chowder a 6 out of 10. It has clams and potatoes, but it's kind of peppery.
It's like a solid 8. It's very good.
Hey guys, next we have this one. I was gonna say it. We'll rate it. It's by. I'll put the picture of who it's by, but I'm gonna taste it. I rate this one low-key, same, a 6 out of 10. It's kind of more like liquidy. It's like more liquidy. The flavor's good though. What do you rate that one?
Oh, 6 out of 10 as well.
Yeah, that's okay. Next is this one. It looks better consistency. Yeah, this one is really good. Or it has a way stronger seafood flavor. I'll give this one a 7.5 out of 10. And it's like thicker. It's not like watery.
I'll give that 7.
Yeah, it's 7. And then we also got this oyster and chorizo thing. Here. You can try some too if you want.
I don't know if I'm an oyster person or not though.
It's not oystery at all. It tastes just like breading. Breading and chorizo. It's okay. I'll give it a 5 out of 10 though.
Like a 4. Could be a bit more seasoned.